Ariela with 9 points and Pac del Pilar following her with 6. Pero after those two, si Hazareno na, 3 puntos. Prince, kulang na kulang yung opensa mula sa JRU. And it begins with their faulty first balls.
Oo, yung first ball talaga.
Ito, encouraging start for JRU. One of their strengths. Blocking will give them their first point.
And at the same time, parang nag-iba yung yung vibe ng JRU sa bench. Kanina medyo tahimik sila eh. Medyo hindi natin nararamdaman yung bench nila. But after that first point, parang nabuhay ng JRU.
At nagpakalitan din ng tao. Itong si Coach Mia. Ramos now in the match alongside Janine Preta. Let's take a look at this play. Back set for Ramos. Off the bench. First entry. A point right away. Now they'll attend to a wet spot. Alam mo yung mga natin dito, yung mga tumutulong sa atin dito, ayan, to attend to the wet spot. Bibilis din, ano?
Oo, hindi, nakakatuwa yan. Pare, sobrang nakakatuwa yan. Kasi bago pa sabihin ng mga players, ando doon na sila eh. Kumbaga, normally yan. Pag nakita ka ng wet spot, haharap ka muna sa gilid eh. Pagharap mo pa lang sa gilid, pinupunasan na nila. Ando doon na sila. Props to these guys. And syempre, napakasisipag niyan. And again, salamat sa serbisyo nyo.
That's right. We have a lot of them here, including our linesmen, mga ball boys dito. Salamat po. Meantime, yeah.
And sila, siyempre, malaking bagay yan to keep the players safe.
Exactly.
Diba? Para makapaglaro yung mga players to the highest level na pwede sila makapaglaro. And ang hindi nila iniisip na baka ma-aksidente dahil madulas yung sahig. Andiyan dyan sila para alagaan din yung mga players.
That's right. That's our priority. Oh! Uy! Puts it in! Maganda yung bunot ni Coach Sandy dito kay Bia Uy. He is doing a lot of positive things on the floor. That time reading the net well. Ramos flies in. Omipon scores. She is now in double figures.
Yung importance ng first ball eh. Yung perpetual na iaangat nila yung first ball at nakakapag-set sila ng ayos. Minsan nagkakaroon sila ng lapses but most of the time nakukuha nila yung first ball. If not man, yung second ball nila, naiaangat pa rin.
Ariola. Uy again. Good reflexes from Ramos. Janine Preta. Outside.
Meron ako ulit inaantay na hirit.
Sino?
Mamaya ko na ilalabas yung hirit.
Sige. Kaya yan. 14 excellent sets for Fifi Ariola in 2 sets. And I'd like to believe I did not jinx that because I was talking about her setting. Not the serving.
Sabi naman ni Martin, excellent sets.
Excellent sets. Hindi naman aces.
Tama.
This is Janine Preta. They bring it to Reyes. Oh, somebody touched the net. This is the 3rd net touch infraction on JRU. These are errors and lapses they can't afford because they're down 2 sets.
If they want to extend this match, they have to get this set number 3.
Yakring Batara touched the net. Hazareno. Reyes denied. So bumawi sa kabila itong si Kring Batara.
Narinig ka ni Reyes nung sinabi mo kasi na 3 yung talagang big scorer ng Perpetual. Sabi, apatin mo na. Pang-apat mo na ako.
That's a combination of Hazareno and Batara. Ooh! Bustamante. 6-5 now in favor of Perpetual. Camille Bustamante now with 8 points. Ito si Bia Uy. Kring. Masyado malakas. They're looking for a check. Will this be challenged? Yes, it will be challenged by Coach Mia. pressing on the red button. Oliver Zosa, Erica de la Cuesta, on the coaching staff of Coach Mia. Oh, hold on, there was an admission again.
Oo, kasi nung tinanong nila kanina, sabi, na-touch ko. Kaya mabilis. Honest yung mga players natin.
Okay, aminado ano. Kring. Ooh, Winnie Bedanya with some power.
Alam mo, based on experience, kung kami, yung tinanong mo ng ganyan, nahawakan mo ba? Hindi
Hindi amin.
Oo, pero sa basketball, tinamaan mo ba? Hindi
hindi.
Walang aamin.
Wala ring foul.
Walang foul, walang aamin. Pero pag nakita na sa replay, hindi, nahawakan ko talaga.
hanggat makukumbinsi.
Hanggat makukumbinsi mo.
Fifi Ariola took the risk and it paid off. Perpetual ahead by 2. Let's go to a quick break. Pagbalik natin, mapapakinggan natin ang report ni Micaela Mindanao.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Christine San Agustin at ngayon, nandito tayo sa San Beda University para saksihan ang kanilang pep rally para syempre ipakilala at suportahan ang kanilang mga atleta na ready-ready ng sumabak para sa NCAA Season 100. Kaya tara, samahan niyo po ako.
Pa rin po kayo ng NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament kung saan nakalalamang na ng 2 sets ang Lady Altas kontra sa Lady Bombers, and Prince and Martin having been down by 2 sets. Sabi ni Coach Mia Chuseco sa kanyang girls na kailangan they would have to stick on their pattern and to add more effort in their floor defense. Ika pa nga niya na hindi kayo makaka-atake kung walang first ball na isa-set. And with every attack, gusto niya na pahirapan at pagalawin nila ang dedepensa. As for Coach Sandy Rieta, he told the girls na huwag silang magdadalawang isip at umatake lang ng umatake. He wants them to take advantage of the momentum being on their side dahil ito ang set na hindi sila pwedeng mag-relax. Either the Lady Bombers will try to extend this match or the Lady Altas will add this game to their wins. Panoorin natin Martin and Prince.
Maraming salamat, Micaela Mindanao. And that's exactly what Perpetual has been doing. You know, all gas today. Rarely do they press on the brakes. That time it's Ramos sending it straight to the net. So these are golden chances missed out on by JRU.
And again, yung sinabi mo na not stepping on the brakes, kailangan nila yan kasi may hinahabol sila na pwesto sa Final Four. And if mag-slow down man sila in any way, baka maging makita pa yun ng mga possible na maging makalaban nila sa susunod na sign of weakness na pwedeng i-exploit. And the fact that they're being aggressive, and sabi nga ni Coach, atakihin nyo lang ng atakihin. I-take advantage natin yung momentum natin. Ibig sabihin nun, hanggat may chance tayo, umatake, and nakukuha natin yung mga set na gusto natin, paluin natin ang paluin.
8-10 of a point by Nicole Deyala. Siya naman yung pumalo doon. Del Pilar with a rejection. Another one from Pat. Si Shai pa rin ang pinuntaan. Ito na si Alonia. This is Deyala. Tracked down by Andal. Both liberos doing a fantastic job. 10 digs for Andal. 7 coming from Yanyan Alonia. This is Omnipon off a combination. It's still in play. Quick attack. And Winnie Bedanya connects.
Tatlong palo para kay Bedanya. 2 kay Umipon.
Perpetual. That time it was Umipon who served as the decoy. 11-8. Good serve. Del Pilar puts it down.
Parang hindi na lang nakareact to si Winnie Tinaman natin yung replay. Pero okay lang yan.
Pero,
Perpetual is up by 2.
Yung JRU, ang inihintay nila, magsunod-sunod. A missed gimme. Laurente to Deyala this time. Pasa ni Omipon, siya rin yung kumuha. Back to Shai. Off speed. Smart play from Omipon. Look at this placement hit from Shai. Reading that defense perfectly. Back set. Ramos seeing the crack on that perpetual defense.
JRU nandito pa rin. Down by 2 na lang. Lumusot sa gitna.
Reyes, her turn to take the outside area. Hazareno! 2 straight for JRU. So this is something they haven't done in a while now here in the third set. Yung makasunod-sunod. El Hazareno providing the goods. Ariola. Alonia. Ito na, si Ramos. Fifi. Back to Shai. Returned. Uy. High ball. Set up for Kring. Reyes turn. Balik sa opposite si Pauline Reyes. And again. Net touch on JRU. Pang-apat sa laban. Ay, nakakahinayang Prince kasi pinatay mo yung sarili mong momentum.
Oh, and they've been doing that the entire game. Set 1, set 2, and then now set 3. Yung kung kailan ang ganda ng nilalaro nila, tapos suddenly, merong instance na mangyayari na mamamatay yung momentum nila and makaka-gain naman ng momentum ang Perpetual.
Yeah. Oh, down the line hit. As you mentioned, Bustamante with a powerful strike. 14-11 lead.
Cover nyo. Yan. Huwag ka magtago. Kunin natin. Okay? Girls, defense nila, oh. Ito open to. Nagsiswing siya. Pwede, kailangan yung forward. Kakaintindihan. Sipag. Para magsalita kayo. Girls, kailangan nyo. Game.
Kanina akala natin makakasunod-sunod na itong JRU, but Perpetual had other things in mind.
Oo, sabi nga ni Coach kanina kunin natin ang kunin habang may momentum pa. Pati yung momentum nila kunin na rin natin.
Oo nga, correct. Ito na. Kring. Ako, di pa rin makapuntos. Isa pa. Sa likod naman. Ramos again. Pauline Reyes. Inde Laurente brings it to Hazareno. Alonia with the dig. Here comes Ramos. Lozano brings it back to Reyes. Tracked down by Ramos. Both teams making an effort on the floor. Uy. Oh, that's Bustamante rather. Ramos. Yes.
Uy, di nakuha.
Okay. Tagal mong tinimingan yun, ha?
Buntik na. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, middle name ko rin, Uy.
Okay.
So, minsan niloloko rin ako ng mga kaibigan ko ng ganyan. But, magandang inaantay ko siya pumuntos kanina eh.
Dun pa sa hindi na save.
Oo.
Nakita ng oportunidad. Hazareno!
Uy, block sana. Kaso, check ball. Puntos para sa JRU.
That is 2 straight for JRU. This is an excellent response
ngayon,
after the timeout.
Ang kailangan nilang gawin, alagaan ulit yung momentum.
Yeah. Again, Uy with a good serve. Reyes overcooks it. So JRU will tie things up.
Hindi si Uyong nag-serve. Ramos.
Ramos. Nalito na ako sa iyo.
Oh, nalito na sa akin eh. Kasi naman, Prince eh.
3-zip run. Bustamante. Reyes, her turn. Bumawi. Si Pauline Reyes.
Inabutan kasi si Martin ng 3-0 run. Nabate ang run ng JRU. Down by 1.
Back to the side of Perpetual. Yeah. Laurente. This time it's Hazareno. Sa kanya ulit. Everybody's on this side. Ooh, returned. Bustamante. Set up for the Lady Bombers. Got read by Inday.
Pati ako nabigla.
That was a quick decision from Inday Laurente. Had to track it down. You know, to the open spot she went.
Oh.
Yeah. Inday Laurente. Tying things up. Fifi. Kombinasyon. It's alive and well. One-handed save by Fifi. Bustamante. But it is playable. Set up for Perpetual. They go back to Camille. Oh, again, Laurente working so hard. Pauline Reyes kept alive. Hazareno. They bring it back to Camille. Long rally alert. Winnie Bedanya punches it down. And Perpetual brings us to our second technical timeout.
What is up mga ka-NCAA? My name is Christine San Agustin and today we are here at the San Sebastian College Recoletos to witness their pep rally for this season. Kakamustahin po natin ang kanilang mga atleta kung paano nga ba sila naghanda para sa NCAA Season 100. Kaya tara, samahan niyo po ako.
We've been preparing for this season.
Representative of Perpetual, Sir Frank Ducey Jr. Watching intently here. Again, his team in a must-win situation. They can't afford a loss, especially, you know, at this point of the season. They're trying to catch up in that Final Four race.
Oo, kailangan nila lahat ng game. And again, kailangan nila every set.
Yeah.
Oo, kasi kailangan din nila siyempre mag-set ng tone and kung paano nila gusto i-handle itong magiging bid nila for Final Four.
Meantime, good response after the timeout again from JRU. Kayla Hazareno unleashing an off-speed attack. Ayun, pinadaan pa kay Bedanya. Hazareno starts it up. Bustamante with a put down.
Exclamation point.
That comes from an excellent pass. Perfect setup for Perpetual. Nicely done. Oh, service ace. Back-to-back points for Bustamante. So after JRU's point, it is 2 straight for Camille. Del Pilar inside. So Pat responds. It is 18-17. Ooh. Underhand pass. This is dug up. Omipon is denied. Bedanya also rejected. Shy. Deyala. Bumalik din. Oh, back set. Put down for Zarina Ramos. But what a set for JRU. Look at this. Inday deceiving Perpetual. Dahil akala nila babalik siya dito kay Nicole Deyala.
Tama.
Fifi. Oh, Bedanya with a quick response. 1918, Perpetual just doing enough to stay ahead. Kombinasyon. Del Pilar with a conversion.
Dito pa rin tayo sa set number 3. 19 all.
Yeah.
Walang kukurap.
Closest set so far. Uy, was red. Kayla, underhand pass. That's not gonna work. Fifi chooses Shy. Back to Ariola. Ito ulit si Omipon with the adjustment. And Shy Omipon will score the point. That's a veteran play.
I like how positive Coach Mia is. Nakita niya yung instance na yun na pwedeng nakuha sana. Pero after nung miss-hit na yun, sabi niya sa mga players niya, good job. Nakita ko parang nakita niya na yung effort na sinubukan naman nila talagang kunin. And nag-translate naman sa offense. Kasi instead of adding more pressure like what she said before na ba't kailangan mong pagalitan? Nakita mo naman na nag-effort sila eh. Hindi lang nila nakuha pero ando dun pa rin. Diba? Nag-respond naman.
That's right. Kring Batara finally gets one in. Kanina pa siya naghahanap ng attack point. This is an easy up. Hazareno puts JRU in front. Remember, the first meeting of these teams went to 4 sets. Now JRU has responded in a big way here. Their team captain, Kayla Hazareno, delivering here in a crucial stretch.
Ang target natin sa service kasi ganyan, nakaganon lang naman.
Isip tayo, play mo Tatlo spike natin. Tatlo. Isip natin.
Atake! Tapos tayo sa atake, Apollo!
Siya lang hinahanap ni Coach Sandy Rieta. Receive tayo. One good pass to break this momentum as we see the defending champions of the men's division. That is the Perpetual Altas in a tricky situation right now in their effort to try to defend their championship. Mamaya po yan pagkatapos. Kalaban din nila JRU. This is a chance ball given to JRU side. Inday activated Kring. But this one is too low. That's a missed chance for JRU. Grabe.
Sinabihan lang ni Coach Mia si Kring, bumawi ka. That would have been a good play. Nagkataon lang na short.
Ito si Inday. Papunta kay Hazareno. Reverse set. Ramos. Ganda ng adjustment ng Perpetual. Hazareno again off speed. Si Lozano ang nag-set kay Reyes. Nandun si Kring. Oh, dug up by Alonia. Saved. Lozano here with the pass. Pauline Reyes deflected. Ramos, both teams playing well in this rally. Ramos dug up, difficult pass. Hazareno approaches Lozano again, keeping the ball in play. Bustamante is denied. And JRU is back with the lead. What an effort for both teams, but it's the net defense. That's Zarina Ramos with the block points. Bustamante. Batara! Oh, JRU is on a roll.
Binabawi ni Coach Mia, si Kring.
Look at this, 1v1. Easy point for Kring.
Kali pinilit mo na naman yung huling palo mo. Pag pagod na, binibigay nyo na eh. I-over nyo lang. Tignan mo ano nangyari. Wala na pagod na, bahala na eh. Wala na tayong diskarte eh. Yung dapat yung dinadrop uli. Ha?
Dalawa lang! Layo pa nila.
JRU holding the momentum. 23-21. This is the first time we've said that in this match at this stage of a set. Zarina Ramos, who has played well off the bench. Camille Aloña, Bustamante responds. Look at this, Camille Bustamante challenging Aloña.
Martin, ganito yung nangyari kanina sa previous game.
Oo, kinapitan ng Benildang Mapua. But Kring Batara with the attack. Bustamante sent back. Isa pa, denied again. Reyes from the other side. 2 straight for the Lady Altas. And they have gathered themselves again to tie the match. Reyes delivering.
Kahit pag gaganon, ito yung bola. Okay, tapatan mo na. Okay, para hindi na lumusot. Tapos i-press nyo. Kakaintindihan? Okay. Hinga tayo, girls. 1 good reception. Inday. Play ka. Okay, ayos tayo, ha?
It's been a battle of adjustments from our coaches in the third set. Timeout after timeout now. Coach Mia burning one. 23 all. Biauy will begin. Inday. Hazareno. Kept up. Back to Kayla. May sumabit ulit. But this time it's on Perpetual. So JRU will reach set point. Whoa, yeah.
Oo, sumabit nga talaga.
Bedanya. Yung
Crucial.
kanyang, right arm touching the net. Kring with the serve. Bedanya ties it up.
Binawi agad.
We're looking at an extension here in the third set. Winnie Bedanya with some heat. Win by 2. 8 points for Reyes. Inday. Back attack. Tracked down by Lozano. Ito ulit si Bedanya. And now Perpetual overtakes.
I like what Ariola is doing here. Ano? Kung kanino yung mainit, doon niya finifeed yung bola.
Mali din yung direksyon ni Diana doon. Winnie Bedanya timing it well. Set point Perpetual, sabi ni Pat. Teka lang, we are not yet done. 25 apiece in this extended set 3. Hazareno. Ooh, good pass nonetheless. Adeyala with better reflexes. Nicole will swing. Nasa likod si Andal. That's former best libero Yanyan Andal. But Del Pilar gets a hand on it. Off speed. Tracked down by Ramos. Adeyala approaches. Off the hands. Eto na. Si Bustamante ulit. Mahirap na tira yun. They go to Del Pilar. Oh, what an effort by Aloña. Arriola. Bedanya with the left. Del Pilar. Drop. Another touch by Bedanya. $26 all. Walang kukurap.
Oo, binawi lang niya yung yung net touch.
With a nice serve. From Pat Del Pilar.
JRU sticking to their bread and butter.
Ayan, Del Pilar pounds the pavement. They're at set point again. Can they end it here? Omipon after the combination. Here comes JRU. Deyala popped up. Gets near the net. Chance ball. Del Pilar. One-handed save. Wow. What an effort from the Lady Altas. Arriola is slow to get up. But how about the save? Right there, Bustamante with magic reflexes. Look at this. One-handed save. Arriola scores with a 1-2. 27 all. Hindi pa tayo tapos. It's another tall player off the bench. This is a joust. Playable. Arriola. Omipon. Outside. And Perpetual is back ahead.
Challenge. Parang sinabi yata ni Pat, hindi daw niya na-touch. Baka sa net tumama.
Tingnan natin. Si Enrico, itong late entry ni Coach Sandy Rieta.
Baka magic bunot,
Oo. Another tall player. For the Lady Altas, napakadami niyan. If you're facing a Perpetual team, lagi silang may height. Lock touch challenge. This is gonna be a crucial one. Kanina pa nagpapalitan itong dalawang teams natin dito sa third set.
Humihingi lang ng isang break ang JR. Yung isang break lang, bigyan nyo sila ng isang break.
This is
para ma-extend ko sa fourth set.
This is the video review. Looks like there's a touch. Yeah. So Perpetual is officially at set point.
Honest naman yung mga players natin. Minsan nga lang yung adrenaline. Baka hindi niya nang napansin na tumama kasi na-feel niya yung net, di ba?
Winnie Bedanya will be tested.
Can this be it?
Aloña with the perfect pass. Del Pilar says not yet.
Wow, the fight in this JRU Lady Bombers team. Doesn't want to let go.
The Pat Del Pilar coming in clutch. 28 all. She now has 14. Excellent performance from JRU's middle blocker. But here comes Shai Omipon with the adjustment in midair.
Kung titignan mo yung placing nitong JRU dun sa set na yun. Kung titignan mo yung placing ng JRU sa set na yun, they were expecting for a quick or a strong attack from Omipon.
Yeah.
But in that case, inulog lang niya. Perfect read.
Match point, Perpetual. Omipon with 14. Inday. Ramos. Oh, Lozano keeps it alive. Eto na. Kring Patara scores! Both teams not letting up. Mano y mano. In the third set. Great effort though coming from Lozano. They'll attend to this wet spot.
Salamat mga kuya.
Alam mo, we won't mind if this reaches 40 points.
Or 5 sets.
Or 5 sets. Yeah. Nicole Diala is on deck. Ariola. Oh, denied. Shy. Outside. JRU overtakes. And is at set point. This is gonna be challenged. Ball in, ball out.
Oo, hindi. Tsaka if ever man na hindi maging successful to, na-freeze mo yung service
This is
ng JRU.
a disguised timeout in the form of a challenge.
Kasi hindi naman natin nila magagamit yung challenge ng set na to for the next one, diba? So,
walang carry over. So 29 all. Na natin. Pit-pitan tayo dito sa third set. It was off a Shy Omipon attack. This is the video replay. No, clearly outside.
Lumabas. But good challenge. Kasi, again, nadagdagan mo yung iniisip nung magsuservice na baka pwedeng mag-iba yung pakiramdam niya.
Ang magsuserve, si Nicole Diala. Ariola. Shy. Oh, too strong. Back-to-back attack errors will allow JRU to extend this match. They win set 3, 31-29. And Shaila Omipon, this time from the other side.
Umipon yung lakas, sumobra.
Yeah, just went under the ball. So 2-1 lead. Sa Perpetual, set 4.